How many times it happened with you that you had to do an important task in your day, but you started doing other activities? For example, browsing internet, chatting with your friends, replying to emails, and so on. And when you actually sat down to do that important thing, you were already exhausted and postponed it for the next day. I'm sure it happens so many times with most of you. And if you want to change this pattern, continue watching this video. Well, hello everyone, and welcome back to the fifth video of 7 Success Concept video series. In the previous video, I told you 3 action plans to get more work done. If you haven't watched that video yet, go watch it first. In today's video, I'm going to tell you some tips to hold yourself accountable. So even if you go off the track, you can come back on the track as soon as possible. And also, I'll give you bonus advice in the end of this video, so stay tuned. Now let's move to the first action plan for today. Put first thing first. I'm going to share a matrix with you designed by Stephen R. Covey in his book called 7 Habits of Highly Effective People. This matrix can help you to prioritize your task so that the least priority task won't eat up all your time and leave no space to do the important things. Now take a sheet of paper and divide it in 4 quadrants as shown on your screen. According to Stephen, your actions are either important or not important, and they are either time bound or not time bound. So what comes in the first urgent and important quadrant? All the deadlines that need to be handled immediately. For example, your assignments, preparation for tomorrow's presentation or exam, and so on. And after handling the tasks from the first quadrant, we must spend majority of our time in the second, not urgent but important quadrant. And what comes here? All the activities that are responsible for your long-term development and for your future goals. For example, exercising 20 minutes in a day if you want to stay fit, and studying 4 to 5 hours in a day, working on communication skills, getting up early, and so on. These activities won't show you the results immediately, but they will move you towards your high priority goals. Now, let's move to the third, urgent but not important quadrant. This quadrant includes the activities which look important but actually they are only urgent. For example, many emails, phone calls and meetings and going to birthday parties. All these activities seem important but they don't contribute anything to your main goals. Now what comes in the fourth, not urgent and not important quadrant? Yes, you got it. All your time wasting activities which must be eliminated. For example, browsing on internet, watching television shows, chatting, wasting a lot of time in watching food recipes and funny videos on YouTube. Many people spend most of the time in quadrant 3 and quadrant 4 activities, and there is very less time left for the quadrant 1 and quadrant 2. We must finish the tasks for the quadrant 1 as soon as possible and spend most of our time for quadrant 2 activities, which are significant for our future goals. And it requires discipline to train yourself, which leads us to the second action plan. This matrix is a wonderful idea to categorize your actions, isn't it? But using this matrix just once won't serve its purpose. We must persist in using it every single day. So if you are making this matrix on your notebook, then clear that page and paste that matrix on the wall of your room so that you can see it when you are going to bed in the night and right after getting up in the morning, and also 1 or 2 times in your day. So that as many times as you see this matrix, you can remember what you must and must not be doing. And I expect you are making your to-do and not to-do lists. If not, then start making them. Because as I told you, how you do one thing is how you do everything. And discipline is the primary key to success. You can categorize the tasks in your lists according to this matrix. For example, divide the tasks from your to-do list according to the first 2 quadrants and write the activities that you are doing quite often from your not to-do list to the 4th quadrant of this matrix. And keep coming back to your lists and to the matrix every single night and check and analyze how well you are performing. Hey guys, the bonus advice for today is take responsibility of your every action and inaction in your life. So, whatever you do and don't do, no one else is responsible but you. So, set an environment for yourself which reminds you your future vision. For that, you can use these sticky notes. Write down your short term goals, long term goals, yearly goals, and some motivational quotes which influence you to keep going in your life. And you can paste these sticky notes on your walls and on your mirrors in your house. I also have these sticky notes at so many places in my apartment. They are really helpful in binding and maintaining the focus on that certain thing. Well, I'll see you soon in the 6th video of this success concept video series. So if you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, remember to subscribe and share this video with your friends. And if no one has told you recently, then let me tell you, I firmly believe that you can succeed. And until I see you next time, keep achieving your higher self. Bye.